advice abangahelebha ngcono because mina isinto angisazi. So I decided ukuthi mabhena plus eNdebele ngisho mhlambe ngafika ngitshele nasi ngibeka inkulumo yami yabona. So uthi mina ngikhiphe hope this time ukuthi ngizobaletha phansi. Uyakhala ukuthi no uyamuzwa sekaba ama statement ufuna ukwenza kusho ukuthi sekafila ngathi ukudliwe ngapha le kuya ngendlela engimizwa ngakhona ngoba nanje nasithele sithi wangabuyeli kwamabhena indaba leya kababa njengoba sifuna ukuhlela ukuthi sokuthola whatever the evidence oyifunayo ubuyele kwamabhena singitholele yonke le evidence ukuthi no asikhambeni sokulwanisana nesitifiketi sakamama sibone ukuthi lokugcina if it comes to push yokufuneka enye imali ngokwenzeka nisimuzo from the side engane mara thina singa-assista ukuthi sokufika nalapha erithabile lapho sokuthola umndeni loyo sizwe ukuthi vele iqiniso basenzela siwa-attach bese kuyoqhubeka kuberegeke or soloko ngoba nje already bona sebane-letter of authority lo mntwana akafakwa ku-letter of authority lo ababaloyibona sebadla yonke into.
It's a different case scenario. It's the very same thing basically no we have to discuss as a lawyer we ask to once a case iphela court, the next step is either appeal or review. Bengilindele ukuthi mhlambe yena uzokuthi thina we've got whoever who can assist in the appeal but akasho njalo. And now if yena beka mandate because mina not have mandate to appeal yena beka appeal because this is simply a court order ukuthi Caroline, if you want to go forward with case then you can go forward with case. So into zokufuna home affairs ufuna abantu laba kanje bantu base retirement stuff like that. I'm sure what they are still going to have because the information we fully case as of then ukuthi file isabenza case ujudge nakathatha decision leyi ukuthi icase le mama user kube na information njalo so now ithola nje it's more like
but somehow
I'm sure you don't help you only case
Isinete angitsho ngikhulumisa ukuthi indaba ukuthi umama akhona ukuthi bamthathele imithela ngathi yona sikhulumela lapha ke thathwe yonke into lapha kuyo ithethwe yonke into bathi izinto zakababa zwela ngakulo lo mntwana sizomnikeza isicephezelo esincane whether ukuthi uhlala basingeni so
on that one umalo was an executor in the state. Umama Khamba was also an executor, not executive, the state representative because the state of Congo was representative. So Mama lo bamsusa as the state representative. So kusho ukuthi umuntu oqhubeke nge-state leya Mama Khamba. Right? Now by law une obligation ukuthi even though umthetho uthi umama lo awusamconsider. Umntwana lo independent abamsiza. Akukhona bamphike khona. I think even i-GPF una something abamnikeze umntwana.
Iyo vele imali engekade kunikela yona.
So for whatever is there, umama Khamba, he's got a duty yokuthi administer the estate. Bese lokho kuhlukaniswa umntwana lo naye kube something for me. So whether indlu le bayiphulile konayo was going to be part of the things abazonabashare abantu bezintwana whatever. That's still to reason because baklema ukuthi yakababa no and uma uthi ba contributing into so you never know but the fact of the matter remains umntwana lo should be because umama lo nabamkhiphe ukhishwe icourt mama asekho ngekhusha
umama
yeah
or icourt imkhiphe kulendlela
no I don't keep it you keep it as the wife
okay
so kuba i-wife entitlement ukuthi now ungathola something wait for it your second wife because of consider but once court it wena you're not the wife then usho ukuthi phumile akekho la khona but nalo kaphumile mama lo angekho la khona this equation umntwana lo
bathi nabazakhuluma nami indaba ezwakala force
ngoba nothi ukeep Steve Eden
i-lawyer rakhe uMagama Khambane yaseWitbank ngoba isitifiketi sakaNompumelelo
Isilidile kahle kahle nangithi ngiyacala because nasi incwadi khona ngayo. Because incwadi le ichaza ukuthi uyayibona ithumele from kuma-sheriff mara ayiphuma angeke uyiconsider because ayiphumi e-high court yabona akusiyo i-eviction incwadi ephuma yabona na-stamp se-court.
Consider because
istamp se-sheriff
usheriff akayiphathi nangaba ebekhona usho ukuthi uyinikeze ngisambona ukuthi azweni
ya ngisho
ungazibuza ukuthi kumalo ifika nje
ya ngitsho khona akusi eviction letter kosibe nestamp se-high court or se-court vele sona directly this one ifana nencwadi yegqwetha let's say wena wenza incwadi yofuna i-victim umuntu uyangidilivela mina I'm not going to consider it as final ngamanye amagama kose la ngizokuphuma khona ngazi ukuthi le incwadi engibizele court izokusho ukuthi bachaza isizathu sabo ukuthi because I remember there was the same case like this one because incwadi iphuma mhlambe kugqwetha ukuthi kuphuma noma amaphoyisa bakhona ukuphekelela umuntu bakhambe nabo bo-sheriff bathi bokukhipha ngaphandle kwencwadi enestembu se-court because le ayinaso istembu se-court ngeke imkhiphe uma
that is why
ngithi mina ngabona azana ukuthi inestembu or ayinastembu me-effect ukutholakala kumalo and inestembu sakasheriff ukuthi umalo bamnikelile ngitholakala kwe
ya incwadi yona inebambizele court vele
mina bengilindele ikhona ngoba bathi njalo
imbizele court incwadi le ithi eze court ngezi 11 April 2020
azange waya lama
let me explain ithi ngi-explain ngoqobo le imbizele court angisho ukuthi eze ngendlela so ukuthi uyile whatever uzaku-explain ukuthi uyile but le the way i-culture ngakhona ikhombisa incwadi ye-eviction and now le ngiyokugcina ngile kutshela ukuthi i-date lapho e-court ngile and nge-date le two things may happen bangayi-postpone or bangakhipha i-final court order that is why ngithi mina into engcono ngayi-court wiliswa bese ucheck-e case number le bese ucheck ukuthi ngalelanga wade kucheleke then izokhona ukunikela because ukuthi ngaya umntwana wenza so kugcina ukuthi wasiphosa nalo ngaphesine court order lesikhuluma ngaso
yile nto vele ngifisa ukuyithola ngaphezu kwayo. Okay, mina Mr. Mapena, I'm satisfied on this other side. Mike andazi ngoba uthi indaba zendiphi nani nani uzavuza yena Saturday ngoba ekutheni ubhadele ngapha ngakuyi 100,000 yena lo uMahlangu loye angeke afune ukumconsidera kakhulu uthi mina ngiba kuMapena.
It's very true.
Ngoba imali nakayibhadela ukuthi ngibhadela kuMahlangu I mean kuba Mapena amanye amagama mina case yami ngikhipha 100,000 ba Mapena ukuthi yena udedicate abobani ukuthi bokurepresenta I don't know but what I know mina ngibhadela ba Mapena mangabe mhlambe icase mhlambe nangabe inesindo limbhalele angabuya tayi umntwana inkosi ngiyabona ngikhipha imali enenganyana mara ke ngoba ibhalile icase nasi sinqephezelo nyana manje ngoba umntwana angalabi ibhalile icase thatha nasi sinqephezelo nyana ngibona ukwenza njani ngoba qhubekela phambili mhlawumbe uthola abantu uyilo yipi or wenzeni naye ngikhuluma nawo nje seseyinde le ndawo ngoba semanje sisukile sesiyisa ku-province.
No, I don't have a problem ngaya wherever just sorry ukuthi i-case zangikhamba ngendlela ngisekhona college but mina I'm a lawyer as a lawyer I'm in a team so I'm entitled ukuthi mangabe case iya high court ngi-instruct advocate but now advocate udila nami directly and in this instance advocate sinamahla fortunately uma uyile ku-advocate nefamily yakhe they appeared in court few times and whatever then Mahlangu nakaye court or enza whatever in this case unikela thina ama-statement so advocate kahle kahle wazi mina angisho so une-contract nami ukuthi I must pay much as uma unikele mina imali so uma ngeke akhombe uMahlangu uzokhomba mina so iba kimi ukuthi okay nangimnikela ama-statements akhona ukuthi uMahlangu uphi then thina sathi then uyakhona business but all of those zikufile whatever it is.
Okay mama ngizwe ukuthi wena une-communication noMahlangu benginamba likhuluma ngigcine ingane ukukhuluma wona na
mina ubaba uMahlangu ngigcine ngimtshela ngithi ubaba uMahlangu uyazi ukuthi nginenkinga la inkinga lo ubaba uMapena ngambhadele 100,000 kuhle kuhle amakhesi la aberega kunjani wathi umbhadele imali wathi mina uJafta azange angitshela ukuthi ukhipha imali kaZengalo ngoba nomuntu obulela umuntu akayikhiphi imali kaZengalo. So benginayo amafoni number akho bakuMahlangu. So nje angisenayo. Mara wona ngiyathemba ukuthi akhona ekhaya. Benginephepha ngibhaliwe amafoni akaMahlangu. So angazi.
Isho kaMahlangu zona secret man. I-court order le ibhaliwe ukuthi uMabhena ustructure.
Mina nangikhumbula uMahlangu sihlangene naye kayi-1. Lekhathi ikhotho kungene ikhotho. And ukuthi ikhotho iqhubeke zange yakhona iqhubeka kwasuke kwenzani kwakhamba igesi.
Mazange kahle ube khona endabeni zekhotho sekukhamba igezi abakushaya bakhona.
Bathi basho bazokubuya bakhiphe i-decision.
Since wena ulindele.
Since mina bengilindele vele i-decision so njengoba uMabhena sekangibiza ngifonela ukuthi i-decision seyiphumile. Mara uMahlangu sahlangana naye kayi-1. Sahlangana naye kayi-1 uMahlangu eBruno.
Well, that one I think ama-statements abaMahlangu azositshela ukuthi bahlangane kanjani yena uMahlangu what is the detail.
Okay. No, baMabhena singathola inombolo zangapha ngakuphi?
Angisenazo phela mina abaMabhena ngisahlele kwalahleka imfoni kwalahleka yonke into. Into ezinginazo zinto ezitsha.
Okay. Inamba yami 082